Two leaders in online courses, Teachable versus Domestika. Which one really delivers? On the left, Teachable, the all-in-one platform for selling your own courses and digital products. On the right, Domestika, creative online learning packed with a vibrant global community. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category will be scored, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Okay, quick overview of what we're looking at. Here's our mind map for today. Pricing and fees, course creation tools, audience and community, language and global reach, monetization and marketing, and finally, best four. I'll break down each, so stick around. All right, first things first, let's talk pricing and fees. Teachable? Well, the good news, there's a free plan, and then the paid ones start at $29 a month. And you get to set your own prices, which is kind of nice if you want that control. But you know what? There's some fine print. Transaction fees, especially if you're using a lower tier or free plan, can start stacking up. And if you really want that super slick customization, you gotta shell out for a pricier plan. Now, Domestika is honestly a whole different vibe. If you're a learner, courses are super affordable, like usually $10 to $30, and you get lifetime access. Plus, they're always doing bundle deals or subscriptions, so it's pretty easy on the wallet. On the flip side, if you're teaching, Domestika controls the pricing and pays you a revenue share, which, yeah, isn't as much as direct sales on Teachable. Bottom line, Domestika kinda slides ahead for most people on pricing, especially if you're taking courses, not selling them. Moving on, course creation tools. Okay, Teachable, this is where they shine. You get this mega flexible course builder with quizzes, certificates, content drip so you can schedule lessons, and all sorts of compliance stuff for corporate training. Oh, and here's something cool. Their AI features can generate quizzes, course outlines, and even automate translations. Yeah, definitely wow factor. Plus, you get total control over your branding, domain, the look of your school, the works. But not all features are on the basic plans, and there's a bit of a learning curve. Now, Domestika, their courses look amazing. They handle production for you, and some instructors get pro editing support. But let's be honest, creative control is pretty limited, and you're kinda locked into their video course style. So if you want to build something wild, Teachable wins hands down here. Next up, audience and community. So on Teachable, you pretty much have to bring your own crowd. You get direct access to your student emails, and you can build memberships or custom communities, which is awesome for engagement. That said, if you aren't into marketing or already have an audience, it can feel tough. It's not like students magically find you. Their built-in community stuff is basic unless you pay extra. Now, Domestika is like the opposite. This place is buzzing. Millions of students, creative people from everywhere. Courses are way easier to find since Domestika pushes discovery hard. And the student galleries and forums, seriously lively. Of course, the catch is students belong to Domestika, and you don't get much data about them. But if your course is on their platform, it gets instant visibility. Definitely Domestika's territory here. Real quick, here's a fun fact. Did you know Domestika actually started off as a creative community forum in Spain? Flash forward to now, and it's this massive global hub for creative courses. All right, language and global reach. Teachable lets you offer courses in any language. Plus, they're way ahead now with AI translation and subtitles, which makes it easier for global learners. But actual discovery, getting found in different languages, really depends on your own hustle. Now, Domestika, originally Spanish-speaking, but now they do courses in English, Portuguese, and more. They handle subtitles automatically, and honestly, their focus is totally global. Only thing, they stick pretty close to creative topics. Still, for worldwide reach, Domestika's got that edge. Now, monetization and marketing. Teachable gives you full ownership of your data, lets you upsell, build recurring memberships, manage affiliates, you name it. You can sling coupons, abandon cart emails, dig into reporting. Feels really pro. But hey, the trade-off? You're doing all the promotion yourself. With Domestika, there's huge built-in traffic. If you're selected as an instructor, they do the production, promotion, everything. But the flip side, they set the pricing, control promotions, and you don't get much say with upsells or the student relationship. So for creators who want that control, Teachable is the boss here. Finally, best four. Teachable is a dream if you're an entrepreneur, a coach, a business type who wants everything branded and locked down, especially for deeper businessy courses. But people looking for passive marketplace sales? Maybe not. Domestika, on the other hand, is perfect for artists, designers, photographers, makers, anyone creative who wants a global audience fast. Not so much for tech or business, though. So honestly, this one's a tie. Totally depends what you want. Just to picture how everything stacks up. Imagine Teachable coming out ahead with course tools and custom monetization, while Domestika dominates on pricing, audience, and global reach. The scores kinda say it all. In my opinion, Teachable is the go-to if you want to build your own branded school, keep control, and use all those snazzy AI features. Domestika, though, is unbeatable if you just want to create beautiful courses and get discovered by a global creative audience without worrying much about marketing. Bottom line, Teachable for business and ownership vibes, Domestika for creativity and community. So, which platform fits your style? Are you a business builder or a creative superstar? Check out both, and honestly, you might find a way to use them together.